Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making vegetables noodles. So these vegetables noodles, one of my Ghanaian friends make it while I was in our house, so I decided to come make it for my family so that they can try a Ghanaian vegetable noodles. So this is what we're going to be making in this video, so watch till the end of this video and stay blessed.
There's just so much left to say. Wanna get to know you in every kind of way, but you speak it in tongues. You take the breath from my lungs. It should be shaking in fear, but instead I just want you here. Screaming at you, but it's like screaming at a wall. My words get lost in translation. Can you feel my frustration? I'm just trying to break through, but you make it hard when you act how you do. 'Cause you speak it in tongues. You take the breath from my lungs. It should be shaking in fear, but instead I just want you here. Screaming at you, but it's like screaming at a wall. My words get lost in translation. Can you feel my frustration? There's just so much left to say. Wanna get to know you in every kind of way, but you speak it in tongues. You take the breath from my lungs. It should be shaking in fear, but instead I just want you here. Screaming at you, but it's like screaming at a.
So if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video, and give it a thumbs up, and see you guys on my next one. Bye.